Hey, sorry, I got distracted. I was just scrolling through Reels because they're kind of addictive, and then I almost forgot to tell you the news. Facebook now released Instagram Reel ads, which is a really unique, amazing opportunity for you to reach new people, build your audience strategically, and get more clients and sales from a very low-cost retargeting strategy. My name is Evelyn. I'm a digital marketer. I talk a lot about Facebook ads and funnels here, and if that's something that you're interested in, then please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Now I will tell you everything that you need to know about this new ad format and how you can leverage it for your business. First things first, what are Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels are a short video content format that Instagram kind of borrowed from TikTok. They released it a little bit over a year ago. I could just quickly show you because showing tells more than words. So when you are on Instagram, you see on your profile here, you have the posts, then you have guides, which is basically a collection of posts. And then you have IGTV, which is like longer form videos, everything above a minute. And then we have Instagram Reels. And Instagram Reels are a short form video format, anything between 15 and 30 seconds. It should be fun and entertaining, and often it also has music. It's basically very, very similar to TikTok, and Instagram was releasing it in an effort to get users and user time back from TikTok. So that's why over the last time since they rolled it out, they were really pushing this content format hard, rewarding people that create Reels with a lot of organic reach. They were really pushing it, and they're therefore not putting any ads on the Reels feed. So what is the Reels feed? When we open up the app, you can see here we have like our home screen, and then in here we have this little icon, which is the Reel icon, and then you can basically scroll endlessly like I just did in the beginning of the video through Instagram Reels. Now Facebook released the option to place your ads in here, which is huge because it's a new platform and it allows you to utilize this short video format that is perfect on top of funnel. So Instagram themselves said when they now released this feature worldwide on the 16th that Instagram Reels are perfect to grow and reach new customers. The whole thought process about it is that in today's day and age, the best way to make a good first impression is by having an entertaining short video that delivers value by either being informative or entertaining, or ideally both. The way to approach this and to get the most out for your business is to first off have an Instagram page and then start to post Reels consistently. Consistently, I mean, ideally you want to put out a reel once a day. As I said, should be funny, should be trending, but keep it related to your business. If you want to know how to do that, I also have a tutorial that gives you 7 tips for the next week that will just help you to get started and to put the right type of content out there. First things first, you create reels, you put them out organically, you see what happens. Usually you will see a lot of exposure, more than you're used to, and you will just reach new customers. Then you will also see that some reels, they almost go viral. So they get thousands and thousands of views like really, really fast within the first hour. These are the type of reels that you then probably want to turn into a reel ad because it seems to resonate with people and it just has this viral factor. So start to put out reels, grow your audience with this organic method, which is great. And then once you have a reel that has this viral touch to it, you know, often we don't know what it is, but we just see when it happens. Then you want to turn it into a real ad. And the way to do this is in Ads Manager. You can say create. From the campaign type, you could either go with a conversion campaign or a traffic campaign. I personally recommend you to do a traffic campaign and leading people back to your Instagram page so that you can turn them into followers. Because you will get a lot of exposure and you will get a lot of views, but not necessarily followers or clients or subscribers. Don't worry, I will talk about how to do this in a second. Let's select the traffic campaign as the destination of your traffic campaign on the ad level. So here you will put in your Instagram profile URL. So here in my case, it's Instagram.com, grow with Evelyn, and I would just put the destination in here. Now for the video, obviously you want to download your reel, which you can do from the app. You can just say save the video to your camera roll and then upload it in here. The primary copy, so the text here, is not as relevant And remember, this is just top of funnel strategy, so we don't want to have a direct response call to action, which would be, to tell people immediately to buy something. Maybe you can encourage them to follow you for more content like this. Okay, then redirect people to your profile, and on here, in the placements, you don't use the automatic placements, you use the manual placements, and then you see the options, you select Instagram, and then you select Reels. So it should be here under the stories. In here, the Reels format will appear once this is eligible in your country. It should have been rolled out. We just see that on some ad accounts, it's not there yet, but it will appear here under the stories and when you have selected Instagram in here on the platform. So that will give your Reel a lot of reach on this Reels feed, which is not very clogged by ads right now. So also the really cool thing, if a new feature is rolled out and it has such a special format, then you will not have a lot of competition right from the get-go. So you can also use this for your advantage because you don't compete with so many advertisers here right now. So that's the first part of the strategy, is put out Reels organically, see what creates this virality factor, and then put a little bit of budget behind it, redirecting people to your Instagram so that you can engage, so that you can increase your following there. Now for the part of where we turn these viewers into subscribers and to buyers. So the next step of this, and this now depends if you are a service-based or coaching-based business or if you're product-based business, now you want to create a retargeting ad and select your Instagram engagers. You can also select directly the reel that you've promoted. So if you have different messaging in your Reels, for example, you talk about different products, some user-generated content specifically about a product, then you probably want to retarget only viewers of a specific Reel. Select if you want to retarget all your Instagram engagers or just people that have watched a specific Reel. So if you want to retarget all, let's say your service-based business or your coach, and all your Reels talk about your coaching services, how you help people, they convey your value, they show your personality, but there's no indication for a specific offer. What I do in this case is I set up a retargeting ad for all my Instagram engagers, and I show them a lead generation ad, which prompts them to a freebie of mine, so I get them on my email list, and on the thank you page of the lead form, I redirect them to my Facebook group. That way, I really get the most out of this reach. And the traffic campaign objective is cheap. I already get additional organic reach that Reels provide right now. And then once people are already familiar with me, I make them a free offer to get them into my other channels. And all that really helps me to build that relationship, top of funnel, targeted, and very, very affordable, around something like $1 to $3 a day, really, really low. If you have promoted a specific offer in your Reel, so let's say it was user-generated content, it was an unboxing Reel, something that is more already geared towards the bottom of funnel, or could even be a digital product. I could even promote my launch planner, something like that. In this case, you also want to set up a retargeting ad, but just select the specific video, the specific Reel that you have had a lot of views on, and then make an offer. If, for example, if I showed them the launch planner in the Reel, I then want to retarget them with a 50% discount if they buy, within the next 48 hours, something like this. You can work with a deadline funnel there as well. Or if you're a product-based business and you were making a Reel about you making your candles or something like that, you can also retarget people with an offer like free shipping, 1 + 1 free, things like that. And that way you can really get the best out of both worlds. You can reach a lot of people for free, spark a relationship, because those videos, they force you to show your personality and to be smart and creative and entertaining. And then retarget with a specific offer, either a freebie or, if it's more bottom of funnel, then a discount, something that makes people jump across the fence. That's it for now. I hope this gave you a little bit of an overview of Instagram Reel ads. I hope that you will test this format, this placement, and if you do, don't forget the retargeting campaign. That's it for now. Bye.